bowel cancer screening. It gives you that opportunity of early detection and prevent symptoms from happening. My partner was a bit concerned. What happens if it becomes positive? I said, yeah, if it's positive, it's positive. At least I know something's going wrong. Following the result of my screening, they wanted to follow up. The colonoscopy was not painful at all. And at that procedure, they actually removed a couple of polyps. If I had not done the stool screening, probably the polyps will keep growing and might become cancerous. We have to be courageous. This is about our life. You have to do this. Don't just wait for the symptoms. You do, and at least when you get to this age, do it.